Yo, what's good, everybody? Thank you for tuning in again. So, today's the day, well, the night, as you can see, that I'm going to try to get the car to shift. So, this is probably a video I've been waiting to make. It should be fairly easy, just connect everything together. Actually, I need to go inside and get all the clips and everything so I can put it here and we could get it going. So, I'm going to go and gather everything I need and I'll be right back. Luckily for me, when I took some of this stuff off the motor, I had made like packaging, like, so I used sandwich bags and I wrote it down of what went where. So pretty much, if you're running, let me move all this stuff into my pocket. If you're running an 05 transmission from an Accord, you want the further side, the one bolt back there, so the bracket sits like this. So that's half the job. Let me just put these bolts in, and then just. So if you did this and you just so happen to forget, like, where your bolts go, just remember. These are 12 millimeters, by the way. Just remember, your longest one goes in the back, and then your two short ones goes in the front, and that's your best bet. The reason why I use the impact just to put them down is because this impact doesn't make enough torque in order for it to do anything bad. So, and plus, I know what I'm doing. I know when to stop. I'm not gonna keep going on something. But yeah, so if you ever forget your longest bolt, there's gonna be 3 bolts, 2 short, 1 long. The longest one goes in the back into the tranny. And then right now I'm about to put all the cables onto the brackets and then hold them up by the 10s. And then we're gonna go inside the car. So I have one of the 2 sides done. Pretty much midway, I was like, damn, I should actually tell them I have new hardware. Like, I got the new hardware and stuff from Honda. This is just the side that goes into neutral, like you go left and right with. So it's just this plate, and that would be this part number. And then this plate on the outer is this one. So that's that side. And now I'm about to put the other side on. So if you guys want to know, I got Honda cotter pins too. That's the part number. I got 3 of these shits, man, because they couldn't find cotter pins anywhere. So I was like, you know what? Whatever. These will do. I already did this side. I just got to put the 2 10s and then go inside the car and put on the clip. And then we should be able to get our first shift today. I kind of jumped ahead. And I put the lock in this place. So the part number for that. This is for the locking pin. And then this is for like the lock washer thing right there at the end. So now I'm about to go for our first shift. All right. Let's go. Yep. We did it, guys. And look at how stiff the Speed Factory Denton springs made it. There's no wobble. Barely. So that's first. That's second. That's crazy. That's no effort. Fifth. Oh, man. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. I'm glad I got to show my first experience with shifting my car without moving. But, it's a start and it's definitely motivation. I'm glad you guys were able to be a part of that. So do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, and help me get to 1,000 subscribers so I have something planned for 1,000, and so on and so forth. So let's just get the ball rolling, guys. Let's do this. Thank you so much. There'll be more videos coming soon.